In this problem, we have a ruler that is 12 inches long. We are asked to convert these 12 inches to centimeters and then round the answer to 2 decimal places. We begin by writing down what we start with, 12 inches. To change to centimeters, we multiply by a fraction. On top of the fraction, we put the thing that we need. Since the question says to go 2 centimeters, we put centimeters on top. On the bottom, we put what we already have. Since we began with inches, that will go to the bottom. Now we need to look up what's called a conversion factor. This conversion factor will change inches to centimeters. If you don't have a conversion table handy, you can always use the internet. In my search engine, I will type 1 inch to centimeters. Our search engine says that 1 inch is the same thing as 2.54 centimeters. Therefore, next to centimeters in my fraction, I'll place the number 2.54. Next to inches, I'll place the number 1. Now we can do these operations in a calculator. 12 times the top of the fraction divided by the bottom of the fraction. So in my calculator I can enter 12 times 2.54 divided by 1. The calculator gives me the answer 30.48. I'll note that my answer will be in centimeters. However, it's possible to do this in Excel as well. In Excel, I'll remind myself that the inches that I started with were 12. Now we'll change inches to centimeters. My conversion factor to go to centimeters was 2.54 divided by 1. I'll enter this in Excel with an equal sign. Now, to reach my new centimeters, I can just multiply the inches in B1, Shift 8 to enter the times symbol, and then click on B2. I simply multiply the inches times the conversion factor. And I get the same answer that I got in the calculator, 30.48. Now for part B of the question, we are asked how many of these rulers would it take to measure 100 centimeters. To do this calculation, we begin with the 100 centimeters we are given in the question, and we divide by the 30.48 we just found. Let's do this in Excel as well. The centimeters I need are 100. Let's first enter the fact that we need 100 centimeters. And my number of rulers will be that 100 divided by 30.48. So I'll say equals, click the 100, press the slash key on my keyboard, and divide by 30.48. And so the number of rulers that I would need is 3.28. You can round this long decimal number down to 2 decimal places by going to the number section and clicking the decrease decimal button located here. We'll click 3 times to reduce the number of decimal places to 2. So our answer is 3.28 rulers. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.